Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Core Java for Automation series. The last video we saw about identifiers. In this video, we are going to see typecasting in Java. Okay, typecasting means converting a value from one data type into another. You saw in the previous videos, right? There are some data types we saw like in float, char, boolean, right? We saw some primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Okay, so typecasting is one, right, where one data type is converted or changed to another data type. Okay, that is called as an typecasting. Let us create one class here. Okay, typecasting example. Okay, I'll include public static void main here. Okay, so what we do is, right, there are two castings, right? One is widening casting and next one is narrowing casting. Okay, let's first concentrate on the widening casting. What is widening casting is a converting from a smaller type to a larger type. Okay, I will change this to, right, widening, right, casting. Okay, so I'll change this to widening casting. Okay, so widening, right, casting is like converting from a smaller type, that is into double, that is called as an widening casting. Okay, for that the example is, right, int a equal to 10. Okay, so I want this a to be converted into a double. Okay, for that, double d equal to a. Okay, so a is will be stored in d, right, right, that is right, stored as a data type double. Okay, so now, so this a is converted into a d with the data type double here. Okay, so this is called as an widening casting. Let's sys out both and see. Okay, a, let me print the t also. Okay, let me run this. See, right, this is converted or typecasted, right, into an double now. Int is converted into an double now. Okay, we can do byte, short, int, long, float, double. All these things can be converted, right, is into an, right, converted or casted. Okay, so that is called as an winding casting. Next one is narrow casting. Okay, so narrow casting means, right, let me create another class, narrowing casting. Okay, so I'll also include public static void main, where wide casting is converting from smaller data type to a larger data type is called as an wide casting, whereas narrow casting is converting from larger data type to a smaller data type. Okay, for example, right, I'll create a double here. Double d equal to, right, for example, 75. Okay, so this I need to convert into an int. Okay, okay, for example, right, I'll give 7.5. Okay, so I need to convert this, right, into an integer. So that is the plan here. Okay, so for that what I need to do is, right, this is a double, I'll give int a equal to, okay, so we need to give what type we need to convert here, into, from d to a. Okay, let me give semicolon. Okay, the type what I need, I want in int. Okay, so now let me sys out. First I'll give d then a. Okay, let me run the code now. See, from 7.5 it's converted to an integer now. Okay, for that we need to give what type we need to convert. Okay, in bracket we need to give. Okay, so this is how we can convert from one data type to another data type in Java. So this is called as typecasting, right? Converting from one data type to another data type, that is called as a typecasting. Okay, we saw both widening casting and narrowing casting in this video. Hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye. Meet you soon in the next part of video.